The Tesla Model 3 uses a 12 volts lithium-ion battery, sometimes referred to as 16 volts due to its nominal voltage, to power auxiliary systems like lights, sensors, and control modules. This low-voltage battery is completely separate from the main high-voltage battery that powers the electric motor and driving systems. Replacement is typically needed every 5 to 10 years, depending on usage. We'll guide you through the process, including key safety measures and the necessary tools. How do you know it's time for a new low-voltage battery? Look for signs like error messages on your Tesla's touchscreen, including predictive maintenance alerts introduced in version 2025.4 of the Tesla OS. Another sign is intermittent power issues, where systems may work sporadically. Complete failure of auxiliary systems, such as sensors or control modules, can also indicate battery problems. Dim headlights or sluggish performance are additional indicators that the battery may need replacement. Tesla software provides real-time battery health monitoring, alerting owners to low-voltage issues before complete failure occurs. Before starting the replacement, gather the essential tools you'll need. These include screwdrivers and pliers for mechanical work, which are commonly found in a professional toolbox. You'll also need a multimeter to measure voltage and ensure electrical safety during the process. For diagnostics, a Tesla-specific OBD2 scanner, often accessed through the vehicle's app or a dedicated device, helps check for error codes. Additionally, you'll need a replacement 12-volt lithium-ion or lithium iron phosphate battery, either OEM Tesla or a compatible aftermarket option. For preparation, make sure the vehicle is completely off and disconnected from any power source to avoid electrical hazards. Wear insulated gloves to protect against potential thermal runaway from the lithium-ion battery. Tesla strongly recommends professional service to prevent voiding warranties or causing electrical faults. The low-voltage battery in the Tesla Model 3 is located under the rear trunk floor, covered by a carpet mat. This compact lithium-ion battery powers auxiliary systems and is separate from the high-voltage traction battery. Start by lifting the carpet mat in the trunk. This reveals the underlying components and provides access to the battery compartment. Next, remove the plastic clips that hold the battery tray in place. These clips are typically black and white, various sizes, and can be pried off carefully with a screwdriver or pliers. Once the clips are removed, unhook the battery tray. The tray is a black metal piece with cutouts for the positive and negative terminals, and it's secured by bolts or hooks that need to be released. This exposes the battery and its terminals. Before proceeding, confirm the vehicle is completely off and disconnected from any power source to avoid electrical hazards. Also, ensure you have adequate lighting to clearly see the components and connections. Safety first when disconnecting the Tesla Model 3 low-voltage battery. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal, which is the black cable, using insulated tools to prevent any sparks that could cause issues. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, the red cable, following the same careful approach with insulated tools. Once disconnected, carefully unbolt the old battery from its tray using appropriate tools, ensuring the battery remains stable. Remember, lithium-ion batteries pose significant risks, including thermal runaway, where the battery can overheat dangerously. Always wear protective gloves, avoid creating sparks, and handle with care to prevent accidents. Begin by placing the new battery into the battery tray. Ensure it sits securely in position. Then, attach the hold-down clamp using the threaded rods and wing nuts to secure the battery firmly in place. This prevents movement during vehicle operation. Now reconnect the positive terminal, which uses the red cable. Always connect the positive terminal first to establish the circuit safely. Tighten the connection firmly to ensure good electrical contact and prevent corrosion or loose connections. Next, reconnect the negative terminal using the black cable. Connect it after the positive to complete the circuit. Again, ensure the connection is tight to avoid any electrical issues or power interruptions. Finally, replace the battery tray, secure the plastic clips, and lay back the carpet mat to restore the compartment. Tesla strongly recommends having this work done by a professional technician to prevent voiding your warranty or causing electrical faults in the vehicle's systems. After installing the new battery, reboot the vehicle through the touchscreen interface. This ensures all systems recognize the change and initialize properly. Next, connect your laptop with Tesla's service software to the vehicle's diagnostic port. This allows you to access the vehicle's systems and run comprehensive checks. Using the diagnostic software, check for any error codes related to the battery system. Look for codes indicating voltage levels, charging status, and auxiliary power functionality. For newer Tesla models, you may need to install a software update to fully recognize and calibrate the new battery. Check the touchscreen for available updates and install if prompted. When replacing your Tesla Model 3 low-voltage battery, proper disposal of the old battery is essential. Recycle it at an authorized facility to comply with EPA regulations and prevent environmental harm. Lithium-ion batteries contain valuable materials like lithium and cobalt that can be recovered for reuse. For replacement, consider OEM Tesla batteries, which ensure perfect compatibility with your vehicle's systems. These are the original equipment manufacturer parts designed specifically for your Model 3. Alternatively, reputable aftermarket brands like Bosch offer compatible options at lower cost. Their Megapower Plus batteries provide similar performance with maintenance-free features. Another option is Ampere Time Life PO4 batteries, which use lithium iron phosphate chemistry for enhanced safety and longevity. These feature carrying handles and detailed specifications for easy identification. Be aware that aftermarket compatibility can vary, potentially causing issues with voltage mismatches or electrical faults. Always verify the battery specifications match your Model 3 requirements. Tesla emphasizes that professional calibration is crucial to synchronize the new battery with your vehicle's electronic control unit. This prevents power management issues and ensures optimal performance. Environmental groups praise the shift to lithium-ion batteries for reducing toxic waste compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. Lithium-ion batteries reduce landfill waste by up to 60% and allow for better material recovery through specialized recycling processes.